up, guys? We're back again with another video. Today, we're just gonna be chilling. I got a hiccup. Glad you heard me. My name is Makai Johnson, aka Mini Deadpool. Told y'all I got the hic. Told y'all I got the hiccups, so I might be going and see and just saying it again. Oh, I might go. I might go over my Mimi house today. I might not. Dude. It might be annoying, but oh well. I got the sticks on me. You need that? I got it. This cash 100. Vlogging on this phone. Yeah. My butthole. Prank video, prank video, prank video, prank video, I need your phone. Mama, I'm coming home to you. Sticks on me. You need that? I got it. It's cash 100. Bah, 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 bah. I'm Deadpool, so I keep the sticks. I keep the sticks on me. Sticks on me. See when you mad at me. Sticks on me. You need that? I got it. Cash 100. My sister. Changed her phone up. Ain't even tell me. And I'm texting this grown woman. It's grown woman. So like, I'm not your sister cause me out cause I didn't know it was my sister. I did not know she had a new phone, lady. So guess what, lady? If you're listening, freak out of you. And if you're subscribed, lady, and if you're watching, you can unsubscribe. I don't care. Oh yeah, speaking of subscribe, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Share this freaking video. Share it to your friends so they can share it to their friends and then to their friends, and they'll subscribe, and I can buy a new camera so my vlog can be longer than 5 minutes. Blah 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 blah. Went to Five Below yesterday. I got this mask.
Negotiations with Democrats over new stimulus legislation. Those talks have completely broken down. The president expressing some frustration here on Twitter. I want to read you a couple of his tweets. He says, I have directed Stephen Mnuchin.
Sticks on me. things you do, the things you do, ay, ay, ay. Sticks on me. You need that? I got it. This cash 100. You see, like I thought I'm right here, keep on throwing it back. Keep on throwing it. Yeah, back up in the back, smile. Alright, let's go. I was taking a picture of myself. I'm Deadpool. Alright, that was just a voice. I'm gonna turn on my voice enhancer. Whatever. Have you seen my gloves by any chance? I can't believe I can't believe YouTube isn't doing anything about that Chad Wild Clay fellow. I'm just saying what Daniel said, aka PZ1, aka Daniel from Spy Ninjas, CWC. That's what he said when he was a hacker. Because he was lied to. Hakuna Matata. Smell like a flat iron. The freak. And I don't care. I don't care. Alright guys. I will be shooting another video today. The reason why I'm ending it, one, cause I gotta use the bathroom. 2, cause I gotta use the bathroom. 3, cause I got the hiccups. 4, cause I gotta use the bathroom.